Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Wow, Terra Classic have hit over 150% increase in volume today. The volume of Terra Classic have actually hit $125 million, all the way from $33 million. For me, I think that is amazing for a coin like Terra Classic hitting over 150% today, Boxing Day. And one important thing you need to understand is that Terra Classic market cap will soon hit $1 billion. Of course, from $783 million yesterday, Terra Classic have hit an increase over $200 million, because right now Terra Classic market cap is trading at $938 million. That is amazing, and I believe people really rushed Terra Classic today. That's why you can see the volume actually hit over 150%, which is on the buy side. That is to say, a lot of people actually bought Terra Classic coin. People tried to buy more Terra Classic coin today, and I was kind of amazing because this is Boxing Day. I mean, people are withdrawing money in order to celebrate with their family, in order to go for vacation. But Terra Classic market cap is also increasing. When you take a look at Shiba Inu and other crypto coins, they are actually dropping in terms of market cap because people are actually selling off, people are withdrawing. But Terra Classic hitting an increase in price in this period of festival, I think this is amazing. This is a sign, this is a signal that this coin will definitely hit an increase in price in the coming years. And even Bitcoin, the king of crypto coins, and the Binance and other Ethereum all saw a drop in market cap and of course price. But today Terra Classic hit an increase in market cap and also price, and I'm happy to see this, and I'm happy that Terra Classic will definitely hit an increase in price in the next few months to come. And let's keep supporting Terra Classic. Of course, the community have been supporting Binance, have been supporting Binance founders, CZ have been supporting, even Kucoin, crypto.com have been supporting, and I believe with this support we are going to see Terra Classic coin in a different way in the coming year. Of course, definitely this coin is going to hit an increase in price, and I believe holders will be smiling to the bank. Well, I still believe that Terra Classic can hit an increase in price before the end of this year. Let's see if Terra Classic will be ending the year with over $1 billion worth of market cap. And if that happens, that is to say Terra Classic will be starting 2023 with a better foundation, with a better news, with a better market cap and price. Well, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.